Well, hello and welcome to one more video of our series English to Speak English. Today I'm here to talk to you. About the power of laughter. Yes, why is laughing so important for us in our lives, and what does it have to do with acquiring, gaining things, becoming a better person, and actually evolving? Let's talk about that. Let's talk about the subject. It's a pleasure for me to be here and to be talking to you. I hope you have been liking these videos that I have been making for you. And if yes, make sure that you comment on the video, make sure that you like it, make sure that you share with your friends as well, so that we can help others to speak English fluently, just like you do, okay? And if you are in this process of learning the language, it's great to have you here. And it's nice that you are using these videos in order to involve your linguistic behavior. So let's talk about the power of laughter. Look, if things are not going well in your life, laugh. Because sooner or later, you're going to be laughing about it. If you're going to be laughing about it sooner or later, why not laugh it now? Why not laugh about it now? It's important to understand that, because usually what happens is your brain cannot be sad and happy at the same time. It's either sad or happy. So if it's sad and you start laughing, guess what's going to happen? You're going to be happy. If you're happy and you start crying because of something that has happened bad in your life, guess what's going to happen? You're going to feel sad. So if you want to take care of your problems, don't look at your problems. What are you saying, Marcelo? Yeah, that's right. If you want to take care of your problems, forget about your problems. Look for options to solve your problems, but don't look at the problems. Because if you look at the problems themselves, then they are going to block your vision and you're not going to be able to solve them. You're going to feel down and you're going to feel depressed and you're going to feel, and all of these emotions are going to make you act in a specific way that is going to bring the result that you do not want in your life. So if you want better results, laugh. Laugh. I'm telling you, laugh. And start laughing. Start just by, okay, Marcel, but I'm crying right now. Yes, I've been there. I was crying, desperate because of a personal problem that was going on in my life. I started laughing. Guess what? I stopped crying. Yeah, you can stop crying because your brain cannot support these two emotions simultaneously. So if you want to feel happy, laugh. Of course, this is not going to change your life completely forever. You have to deal with your problem. You have to face it. You can run away from it. You have to face it in order to take care of it. But as long as you get yourself in a state of full engagement, you can actually change that. If you are feeling down, your actions are not going to be appropriate. But when you feel excited, when you feel ready to go, energized, then that's when you are able to take care of your problems. So laugh is a solution. Yes, laugh. Laughing and celebrating. So start laughing and start celebrating and saying, wow, I'm going to do this. I'm going to take care of this. This is not a problem for me. I'm capable of. I'm incredible. I can do it. And when you start saying this aloud, your brain understands the commands and then it works in your favor. It truly does. It really helps you. So laugh. Open up a smile and laugh. It doesn't matter what's going on. Laugh. Laugh. Force yourself to laugh. And then when you feel different inside, remember, if you feel different inside, you're going to be able to act in a different way and you will have a different result as well. I hope this video has helped you somehow. If yes, please make sure you like it, comment, and share with your friends. My name is Marcelo Dutra. It was a pleasure to be here with you today. Once again, I see you tomorrow in one more video of our series, English to Speak English. Take care, and bye-bye, and laugh!